Greetings all, Shardvixen here. Alright, so we are going to make bubbles. This is take 2 of bubble painting paper because the first time didn't work. You didn't even get to see it. That's how bad it was. I'm going to wipe these out real quick because I like this event. I've done it in the past and it worked out well. Okay, so Kids Craft and Family Fun, which is a brand new channel. I'm thinking they have 89 subscribers. It could be also because of YouTube and the whole kid thing and everything, so they're not getting any subscribers. But they do this. They have 2 little girls who show it. They're really cute, fun to watch. I like watching kids do art. I love my kids do art with me sometimes. Anyway, so they had a lot of fun doing their art there. So whoops. So go by. So go by and give them a looky and maybe a likey too. Oh, I lost one of my other things there. Alright. So it's their recipe. They have 2 of them. The first one was 1 tablespoon of soap and 1 teaspoon of paint and 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to try recipe B, which was 1/4 cup of bubble mix, 4 drops of food coloring. So we're going to try that one first because I tried the other way with the paint and it didn't work. So here's our 1/4 cup of bubble mix. We're going to do 3 colors. Can you guess which 3 colors we're going to do? Oh, that's right. We're going to do primary colors. Stop that. That thing wants to come out, doesn't it? Oh, somebody at the door. I'm telling you right now. Alright, so let's get our... Where'd I put it? Oh, there they are. There's no one here, guys. You're safe. You're safe. So it said 4 drops. So let's do yellow first. Here we go. 1, whoops, 2, 3, 4. And because it's food coloring and bubble soap, I'm not worried about the pan. The suggestion was to do them in these kind of pans like this, because it would work better. So here we go. So we got bubbles going on, bubbles going on. Let's see what happens when we put our paper on our bubbles. Ready? Woo! Okay, we see it on this side. Let's see what happens on the other side. Well, kind of we got it, right? Kind of. I feel that bubble paint does that. It's kind of all of it. All right, we're going to do blue. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I did 5 instead of 4. Sorry. I just bought these ones here. The last time I bought food coloring for this, it was gels. They also were my stamp. My DIY stamp things, which didn't go over well. Okay, here we go. Okay, we ready? Uh-oh. It's going over on the other side. No, don't do that. Okay, so there we go. Let's see what we get. Alright, the blue turned out better. Is it because I used more stuff or what? I don't know, but that's really pretty right there, huh? Alright, let's add a little more of that yellow to that one. See what we get. I need to get me another paper here. I'm making a mess over here. I don't like to make a mess on my counters. Alright, so probably need water. I think. Okay, because I don't want to make green. Let's try that yellow again. Ready? Woo. Okay. Nope, yellow just doesn't want to do nothing. Not really. Not like the blue did on there. All right. Well, we're gonna do red. We're not giving up yet. We're gonna try red. And then we're gonna try a different thing they suggest too. Right. We did 5 instead of 4. We did 5 instead of 4 because I can't not do it that way. Alright, so here we go. Mix it up. That looks really bad. That looks really bad. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, well, we got the nice ring going on. I'm not getting much bubbles. Okay, so let's try something different, right? It's all about playing around. I know I've done this before in the past. Nope, I don't think that works well either. Where's the wand? We need the wand, man. The wand. I wonder why they put the wands down so much. Okay. Oh, well, that makes a splat. Oh, that did better. Look at that. Now I'm afraid my head's going to be in the way. Let's get it up here. All right. Okay, so then if we do this one, there we go. I mean, I feel like it's a splatter thing instead of a... What happened here? Come on. Oh, it popped in my face. Oh, no. Okay, well, I like this. I mean, I like that. I can deal with that. I need to find some paper to help me with my paper to dab it down. Okay, so I can do that part of it and be fine. Right? So that turned out spectacular. Look at that. That's pretty, right? You guys think that's pretty? I think it's pretty. Yeah. Okay. So, then again, the paper I'm using is my watercolor dye paper because I don't like tea dye paper. I don't like the look of it. Though we could make some. I might make some just for the heck of it. Alright, so here we go. Let's try this. The splatter part's when it blows up. Because what happens is there's a blob of color. See, a blob of color. That's kind of cool. So let's do purple now. Well, blue. Then it'll be purple. Okay, and then yellow. Which we're going to end up with this weird mixture. Yeah, because the yellow's really light for me. Okay, then we're going to swap this back on here. Okay. Now I'm going to try, that's what this one turned out. Right? I'm going to try another thing here. Oh. I didn't want to do that. That's not what I was doing. It looks like it, but that's not what I did. I got splatters everywhere. What I wanted to do is, we're going to blow them up and then we're going to put the paper on it, like this. Wee, wee. See what happens. Wow, that turned out kind of cool. So, and then we're going to take a paper here and blot it a little bit. Okay, so because I'm doing some we're doing the rainbow stuff, so we gotta have lots of rainbow. Let's see if we can get it going bubbly even more. big bunch of bubbles going on here, guys. Big bunch of bubbles. I like the ring. There we go. That's kind of cool, huh? That was cool. I always find it interesting that they put yellow, green, yellow, blue, red in a food dye kit, and then green. It's just like, why? Why did we do that? So that's kind of cool. That one turned out nice. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna make a whole bunch of these. We're gonna use them to make to do the anybody journal because she likes rainbows. Remember? So we're gonna do that. I want to try one last thing, and then we're gonna. That'll be it. So the bubble mixture for me worked the best. So now we're gonna do the tissue paper. See what happens. Whee! Here. 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 So just so you know, if you ever want, the way to get your paper to absorb water and hold it is to absorb water on it first. That turned out really nice, look. See? But you gotta be careful because it will fall apart on you. Because the way paper is it's pulpous. Not pulpous, what's the word I want? Squishy? Squishy. It has little bubbles in it, like it's pulp. It's made out of pulp. Paper's made out of pulp, wood pulp. So when you stretch your paper and get it wet and then you let it go, it makes bubbles, and that's how much water it can form. That's how watercolor paper is created. And so, but you can actually do it with any paper. I didn't know that. I had a teacher who told me that. So I'm gonna do this just to see what happens, because, oh, hey, it's just kind of fun to do things. Anyway, that's it. I'll catch you all on the flip side, and I'm out of here. Peace.